Hey everyone, it's ARoyalPanda here, and before this video starts, I'm actually going to show you guys a clip of me using the PM pistol, because I wasn't actually able to make a full video on the PM pistol because it's extremely weak and takes almost a full mag to actually kill someone. And I'm honestly probably going to have to do that with the crossbow as well, because honestly the crossbow is the worst weapon in the game and the PM pistol is definitely the second worst weapon in the game. And I'm honestly extremely sorry about not being able to make a full video on the PM pistol or the crossbow for you guys, but I think you guys can understand why. But I will try my best to get a clip of me using the crossbow, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the clip of me using the PM pistol as well. But anyways, getting into the actual video now, which I really hope that you guys enjoy, because honestly I think I did really well. We are going to be using the Maschinengewehr 3, which a lot of you guys asked for me to use. Now the Maschinengewehr is a LMG with a 101 round mag, and its rarity is green. It is an uncommon. And honestly, out of all of the LMGs, the Maschinengewehr probably has the most recoil, but it is extremely strong, shoots extremely fast, and the recoil seems to help you out a lot of the time, or at least for me. If you aim for their body, it seems to kick up towards their head, which works out. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the Maschinengewehr 3. I honestly don't think it's too bad, especially for an uncommon weapon. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope to see you in my next one. Stay royal, and peace out.
As a killer, but will you stay alive when others know where you are? Airdrop incoming. Get ready. You have proved yourself as a killer. But will you stay alive when others know where you are?